Imagine starting your morning with a bowl of fresh yogurt, busting with tangy goodness made right in your kitchen with just two simple ingredients, milk and Greek yogurt. Yeah, you heard right. So you want to go with your saucepan, put in your milk and put it on low heat, low to medium heat, and just keep and stirring this. What you're trying to achieve here is the milk coming to a boil and the temperature being up to 180-degree Fahrenheit, right? So you just want to keep stirring this and stirring. Don't be tired of stirring so that we can avoid scorching. So when this milk comes to boil and you begin to see things like this, like foaming on top and all of that, you know that you have gotten to the right temperature. If you have a kitchen thermometer, you can also use this to check the temperature. Then you want to transfer this and then let it cool just to a point that it's warm enough for you to stick your finger in it and it feels pleasantly warm, or up to about 120-degree Fahrenheit. Then you want to go in with your Greek yogurt. Here I'm using 1 spoon of Greek yogurt. You can increase it to 2 if you like, but for this recipe I'm using 1. Then you want to just stir this, and after stirring this you want to cover it and put it in a warm place. I put mine in the oven and I left it for about 24 hours. So this is after 24 hours, the big reveal. Can you see that yogurt? Can you see that yogurt? Oh yeah, it promises to be really yummy. So this is what the yogurt looks like after about 24 hours. You can see that it has gotten thicker. You can leave yours for extra time. I just left mine for about 24 hours and you can see how thick it is. So you just want to stir this till it smoothens up. If you feel like blending yours, you can blend, but I just stirred mine with my spatula until it became smooth. And then I'm trying to make this, a vanilla flavored. You can go with any flavor of your choice if you want. So I put in my vanilla flavor, a few drops, and then I went in with my sugar. I don't really like sugar, but you can also use any sugar you want, any extra sugar you want, or you can use honey if you like. Sometimes I use honey. So I just stirred this and stirred this. Remember, you can blend if you like. And this tasted so yummy. It is so good. So good. You see, it wasn't hard, just with milk and Greek yogurt. And this is me just transferring it into my bottle to refrigerate. Yes, this is the consistency I like. If you put yours in the refrigerator, it can get a bit thicker, or if you leave it for longer in the warm place, it can get a bit thicker. But this is exactly the consistency I like for my yogurt. So this is me just putting it in the bottle. Just look at those drops of yummy goodness. Oh, this tastes so good. Will you be trying this out? Like, you don't have to break the bank to drink yogurt. Like, honestly, you don't have to break the bank to drink yogurt. And you can make this in whatever quantity you want. Please like, share, comment, subscribe.